guys, it's me. I'm going through the northern half of Leitchfield right now. I'm going to show you guys the snow that's coming down here on Highway 259 in Leitchfield. I was wanting to go through the main drag, but it's alright. We're going to show y'all. We're fixing to hit on the bypass, but I'm gonna keep the camera on the windshield where y'all can see the snow coming down. Look how wide it is straight ahead in the sky. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit and see y'all can see the white. Yeah, it zoomed in a little bit. Sorry if you guys get a little motion sickness. I just zoomed in. We're now at the intersection of 259 and 3155, which is the bypass to William Thomason Byway. And I'm gonna show you out the side windows. Let me zoom out before I go out the side windows. Look at that house. That house has got a white roof, and so does those two pavilions right there in the garage. We're gonna go out Dad's window really quick. I don't know if you can see the houses over there, but those trees ain't even white yet. But they probably will come morning time or late tonight. Power lines are white. If y'all remember, I don't know, I'm not going to compare this to an ice storm because this is not an ice storm.
It's just snow, dude.
This is snow, but do y'all remember the ice storm of late 2009, early 2010?
That was this time of year.
It was this time of year, and not only we had snow, but we had ice. We had to go without power for about 3 weeks, and we had to stay at my grandparents' house, and we had generators and stuff. Let's hope that don't happen again, because I hate it.
It's not an ice storm.
It really was, though.
It's just, now this is snow.
This is just plain snow. Snow cannot knock out power. Ice can.
Snow can, but we're not getting a lot of snow.
I know. But I know some of y'all are going to ask about the school situation. As far as I know, yes, there's school tomorrow for the people that's going to in-person tomorrow. But that could probably change come morning. They might put people on NTI. We don't know that. I don't think that's what's going to happen. I think they'll keep everybody on in-person school for the ones that's going tomorrow. But I can't be the judge of that because people could easily change their mind about that. We're going to keep the camera rolling as we head down the bypass down here close to Walmart. Walmart's my favorite place to go shop at.
It's the only place we got to go shop at.
I don't like going to like Dollar General and stuff like that. I don't like those kind of places because they're too cheap. I might try to catch a little bit of video on the way back to my house. Well, not my house, but my dad's house. Look, I just seen a big flake come hit the windshield. We're starting to get a little bit of big flakes coming down. We're here at the intersection of Elizabethtown Road and William Thomason Byway. I'm going to show you all the ground over here. I would roll down the window, but I'm not going to get hit with snow. No, just leave it up. Look, we got that ground ain't even white yet, but it's starting to look a little crystally. So is that one. So is that part over there. Crystally, it's like ice. Icy looking. Yeah, icy looking. It's crystally.
It's not that cold, son. It's just cold snow.
I would rather be here and not in Alaska where they get snow really bad. Keep on going here. Speed limit's 55. So those of y'all, you better drive 55 miles an hour if you're on this road. You go faster than that, cops could get you a ticket. Except there's not even a cop on this William Thomason Byway, so if you go down at over 55, it's okay.
Actually, this morning.
Yeah, early in the mornings when the trucks are coming through. Getting ready to pass by Papa John's and McCubbin's Furniture. There's that building behind McCubbin's that burnt down the other day. There's Papa John's and fitness, which I will not go work out at that fitness place. I am not a gym person, even though I do like PE at school.
Difference between PE and going to the gym to work out.
Even though I don't exercise much PE. Even though I did enjoy the trampoline park Sunday. But anyway, I'm not going to talk about trampolines and PE. I'm going to talk about the snow.
can they just see the sky? If you look through your camera,
they're seeing everything.
I think all they see is gray.
It's what it looks like from on the camera lens.
Looking through your camera?
Yeah.
Look through your camera, don't look through anything.
I'm looking at both windshield and that. We're coming up, there's the WK Parkway, Interstate 24. Well, they've changed the West Kentucky Parkway now to I-24 that goes into Missouri. Because when WK does end at the Missouri-Kentucky state line and it goes into I-24. Yeah, it turns to an interstate number because it ends at Western Kentucky. Goes to Paducah. I don't know. I haven't traveled up and down the whole WK. I would love to do a road trip video on that.
Well, don't say stuff if you don't know that stuff.
I just know that it's turning into a number. One of the parkways turned into I-165.
Alright, well, we're almost where we need to go.
I'm gonna stop whenever we get over here by the hospital. I might try to get some video on the way back home. Don't know if I'll video a video when I get close to the house because I don't want stalkers. But I'll video when we get close to our road.
You video around the house all the time.
Okay, then I will do that then. Well, you never know these days. People are, you know. But anyway, we're gonna stop the video now. I'm gonna get some more video here, get some more footage here in a little bit whenever we get done switching out vehicles. But y'all, I'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, guys, I'm back. Finally switched out vehicles and we're sitting down here across from the old Rite Aid building in Leitchfield,
The new city hall.
which is now the new city hall and police department. Will soon be police department. Fixing the
wipers going.
yeah. Sorry, just keep the wipers going if you need to. I'll
All right.
pause it. All right, we got the video going again. We're at the intersection of bypassing Highway 259 south, which we're going to be going north on. Sorry if y'all can hear the air in the background. Or the heat, at least. Okay, we're fixing we're on John Asher Memorial Highway, which I don't know what that means.
It's 250.
This is 259. Actually, I think the snow is starting to settle down. It's went from big flakes to little flakes, but it's still, I don't even know if it's even sticking on the ground yet. Alright. Fixing to get to the junction of 62 and 259. What? Alright. Now we're at the intersection of 62 and 259. Still little flakes of snow as far as we know here in the city of Leitchfield. There's Leitchfield Fire Department, one of the fire departments. River City Pond, Leitchfield City Police Department. Alright, we're fixing to go through the square in Leitchfield. Look at that mural over there on that building. It has a bunch of old scenic stuff on it. Alright, here we go. Fixing to go around the square. There's the old Alexandra Hotel from 1935. Alright. I'm gonna keep videoing. Okay, I don't see no more big flakes, but that could probably change when we get up here. I'd rather deal with snow than ice. I could just hear the kids. I could just hear all the kids that's going to school tomorrow literally watching the weather to find out if there's going to be school tomorrow. Well, either way, if you have a snow day or not, it's going to be NTI. Now, when I was younger, when there was snow on the roads, we didn't have NTI. We actually had free time, and we had to make up our work the very next time we was in school. When my dad was in school, they didn't have snow days. They had to put chains on the buses, and they had to take him to school.
So they had snow routes.
But they had to have chains on the buses to have those snow routes.
You're talking about memo care.
And then I think when my dad got in high school is when they started the school cancellation things. Phew. I'll be glad when this coronavirus is over. Coronavirus will be over and everything goes back to normal for schools and stuff. Man, I'm just in a hurry to hurry up and get home where it's warm. Now we're on 259 north. Yeah, it is heated actually. The seat is heating and it feels really good on the heat.
Your butt's probably getting warm, right?
I know. We need these in every single vehicle. These heated seats are so warm right now. I could use one of these in the flipping house.
It's called electric blankets.
Yeah, I want to get one, but I don't know where to get them. Alright, we're passing by Campbell Hospital and Best Donuts.
There's no Campbell Hospital.
I'm craving Best Donuts right now. Coca-Cola House. I want that Coca-Cola stuff, but I want it all covered in Mountain Dew stuff. We're running video until we get to my place. We're at the intersection of Lilac Road, 259. Snow's still coming down as little flakes. Don't worry, I think I just seen a big flake come down. Speed limit 35 on Highway 259 here on Brandenburg Road. This road goes all the way up to Brandenburg and Hardinsburg, 259. There was a person walking their dog at the park in the snow. Man, wouldn't do that. Passing by the Grayson County Fairgrounds.
Are you looking to see what you're filming?
Yeah. There's the marathon station we was sitting at earlier when we started this video. My goodness, snow on the roads.
We made one big loop.
Huh?
We made one big loop.
Yeah, we did. I didn't get the video of the whole loop, but actually I think I did. Watch this person and their little bitty tiny. I'm on the video till we get up here. Alright. I'm gonna stop the video when we get up here at the end of our road here. Snow. Oh, we're starting to get big flakes now as we come into our little neighborhood over here. We're getting big flakes of snow. I should be standing outside on the patio videoing this, but I get too cold. Alright, we're starting to enter our part of the neighborhood where we live at, so we're gonna wrap this up and catch you guys later.